Hello everyone! Here is the Quneryao Sole Factory produces ultra-light fashion pop sole. The perfect fusion of technology and trend of the sole structure. Reshaping the walking experience for fashion pioneers. EVA material. Phylon secondary foaming process produces a lighter and more cushioning midsole. 40% energy rebound, standing for a long time does not tire your feet. So that every step are as stepping on the clouds. The outsole is made of military-grade rubber material, which improves the gripping force by 300%. Anti-slip in wet area, wear resistant and tear resistant, which is fashionable and practical at the same time. Plated TPU armored wings, highly reflective material for safer night driving. Metallic appearance to enhance the style. Become the focus of street trends. Environmental protection and sustainable development. The use of environmentally friendly materials and processes to reduce the carbon footprint. Showing fashion responsibility. Quneryao Sole Factory honor fashion with aerospace-grade materials, making every step a trend statement.